Hi there, this is adventure rider Pandit Fakir Yogi Brindra Yogi. Beloved friends, look at the heaven on earth, the main entrance gate of Narni city colony of the Bibinagar Mandal, Yadadri district. This is the real main entrance which was designed and developed by one of the greatest real estate developer of India. The greatest man, our respected Kanaranga Rao sir, his dream city, Gunrock Enclave, followed by East City because it is towards the east side of the twin cities of Hyderabad and Secunderabad. You can see there was a quarter where the guards can really stay. They can comfortably stay. Every amenity is there, bathroom, latrine, kitchen. And then they will be guarding the main entrance, and here was the post where they can be doing their duties as a security guards. I think this is the ideal gate for Narni city. You can also understand what is there. There is a railway track, Secunderabad towards Vijayawada, and other side is the service road and the Warangal highway. You can see very comfortably vehicles flying, and if you further look behind, you will see the pride of India and the only all India institutes of medical sciences. This huge structure is coming up. Recently, the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated some of the installations of the structures of the construction work. Here, dear friends, I have been here for 40 years. There was a well-established railway gate here. There were all amenities and facilities. Whenever I used to come to the office of Narni city, the railway employee, gatekeeper could open the gate. I will enter inside, and after completing my job here, I will go back to that Warangal highway. That time it was not so well developed. Now it is a 4-lane highway, and this is the railway track. That is the beauty of really Narni city. It is well connected city by railroad and by roadways, railways and roadways. And another feather to the crown of this Telangana state has come, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Dear friends, I can tell you very confidently, this Narni city is not confined to few acres or few yards, but it is really consisting of 40 square kilometers of a beautiful natural environment where there are sporadic some of the private owners, but majority belongs to our beloved leader Kanaranga Rao and his worthy son Mr. Gokul. My sincere appeal, dear friends, this gate is the real gate. It is directly going, you can see very clearly. Straight it is going to the office, and it is going to this sector 2, sector 3, sector 4, sector 5, up to Padma Sumaram. And if you extend your journey towards the west side, you will reach Angsapur and Angsapur village. Dear friends, this is one of the largest venture on the globe. It is not only confined to Asia, but it is one of the largest in the whole world. And Ranga Rao being one of the greatest developer, because this area is not only confined to Narni city, but almost 40 to 50% of the landed property belongs to Narni state itself. The whole area, which is vision and planning, was bought by Narni state so that he can be facilitating home on the land, not the pigeonholes of the cities where there are apartments, crowded, suffocated, pollution of Jubilee Hills and Banjara Hills. I really invite with utmost respect all the stakeholders, the developers, the builders, and all these great people that we should activate this gate, which is our main gate. There were so many gates, Me Too gate, then there was one gate near Bambino, which is now closed. Bambino has shut it down, and the Mitu gate is also closed because there is no land of this Nani city. They are all private property. They have stopped the gate. And then there is only one possibility where the state is focusing is Parmarsomaram gate. There is some activities going on, some big gate is likely to come there, but that will be very far off from the office site, because you see it is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and adjoining village is Rangapuram village. You have to cross Rangapur, you have to cross the flyover, then you have to go to the bottleneck of Bibi Nagar, town or a small village, what you say, this is a bottleneck. So much crowded, and then again you have to take a diverse road towards Parmarsomaram, travel 10 kilometers, then you will reach a gate that is called fourth gate, that is designed presently as the main gate. That will be really not the appropriate one. As I am a Pandit, I love all of you. I will be always polite and always believe in negotiations, conversations, solving the problem for our common convenience. Let it that gate, no problem. If somebody want to use that gate, no problem, because this is in 40 square kilometers. We need so many gates. People cannot just go by one gate to such a vast. Recently, the Nani city is developing 2,000 acres of land, friends, and there are some 40,000 acres land still empty. How can you feed the flow of such a heavy traffic when the city is in bloom like Chandigarh of South? Thank you. I know one great man, the secretary of a society, my best friend, Mr. Chandrasekhar. So nice, so polite, but there are a lot of arrogant people also. They were somewhere holding big posts, like some lieutenant general, major general. These people are there, but I don't care for all these. They are just a petty landowner of 250 square yards. Sometimes they boast very big. Don't care for these kind of arrogant people. We believe the person who is a true servant of the mankind. We believe the person who really take care of the customers. I believe that great man who really do justice to the customers, because customer is the king. The developers have become monarch because of the kingdom has been handed over to him by the customers. Many a little maxi milk. The whole ocean is made of drops. So many thousands and lakhs of customers made our beloved leader Colonel Ranga Rao the richest man in India. Justice needs to be done. That is really possible. United, all together, developers and the stakeholders, customers, unite and amicably solve whatever problems we have. But as I am staying here for last 30 years, biggest problem I face in trains. Sometimes these people have stopped me. There is one Montessori school that is crowded. There is another small land that is crowded. They will never allow us to use their small 20 feet of road. We need this road, which is 60 feet road, which is ideal road. Thank you, viewers.